Here's everything I do to get the perfect heatless curls. Start with Unite Detangling. Just washed my hair. I'm gonna spray this in and comb through with my wet brush. Fully detangled, I'm gonna towel dry just a little bit in here before we put in some mousse. We're gonna go in with the Color Wow Extra Large Bombshell Volume. So I'm gonna start with about 3 pumps here and go really from root to tip. And now to the other side. We are moussed, now time to blow dry. So we are fully blow dried, and now we are gonna go in with the heatless curls. Bring all your hair to the front, clip in the rod. So now I'm going to grab a 1-inch section from the front and wrap it around the rod. Keep your hand here, and now we're always going to pull the hair from the back. So we're taking a chunk of hair from the back and add it to that small piece of hair you gathered. And then we're going to wrap that all the way around again. If you have layers, do your best to grab longer hair with the layer so that you can kind of use that long hair to wrap around the shorter pieces so that they stay. Once you get to your ear, we want to put the rod behind the ear. This will make it a lot more comfortable when you're sleeping if it's behind the ear rather than over it. You're just going to wrap the rest of the hair around the rod, and we're gonna leave out a little bit because we don't want the ends to be too tight. Now to the other side, we're gonna take out the clip. Again, another 1-inch section. Wrap it tightly around the rod first. And then you're always gonna start with bringing hair from the back and adding it to your front hand. Wrap it around, hair from the back, add it to this hand. Wrap it around, all the way down. Okay, now once you're done, you're just going to gather them in the back. I usually take a 3rd hair tie. And this way, when I sleep, they're above my ear like a halo, and they don't impact my sleeping.